Hello, welcome to another crossing review video. In this one, we'll be reviewing Meadowcroft Street. And we are back in Lowell again to review this CSX crossing, which connects from here in Lowell all the way to Lowell Junction Road in Andover to connect to the Haverhill MBTA main line. Right there is also connecting to the Lowell main line of the commuter rail. Yes, so here is an overview. Yep, that's it. So let's get started. The first signal, the main signal, you have a WRRS signal base, Western Cullen-Hayes gate mechanism, Western Cullen-Hayes lights, and you have a Western Cullen-Hayes E-bell, which replaced a Western Cullen-Hayes mechanical bell. Looking at the crossing info, as you can see, says it is owned by the MBTA. That is not correct. In fact, it is owned by Pan Am / CSX. Like that train sitting in the siding over there. And you got these signal towers sitting right above it. Signal number 2. This pedestrian gate. It has the same gate mech, a WCA Hayes, WRRS signal base, and the WC Hayes lights. Signal number 3. Another pedestrian gate. This one has 2 sets of lights. Which is also WCA lights, gate mechanism, and WRRS base. Here's a close-up of the wiring that connects the signal to the mechanisms. And last but not least, signal number 4. This is a Western Cullen-Hayes signal base this time. Western Cullen-Hayes gate mech and Western Cullen-Hayes lights on this crossing, or this signal. 2-track sign right under the crosswalk. Same with that one. Now I think, I could be wrong here, but this right here is the relay case for track 1 and 2. But yeah, facing to the west, that is going to Lowell into the commuter rail station. And to the east, that is heading towards Andover to Lowell Junction Road crossing to connect onto the Haverhill main line. These are the switch maps made by G&B Specialties Incorporated. But yes, as I said, the crossing is not owned by MBTA, it is owned by CSX. Even though we're very close to a commuter rail line. This is a CSX spur line. And here is one more overview, and then I will end the video. It. Well guys, I hope you did enjoy this review of a CSX crossing. It's been a long time since I last did one. In the future, I will do more CSX crossings, and I will do MBTA crossing reviews in the future. But yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good day.